As I'm editing this, I kind of realized that the video is pretty short and went by pretty quick. And that's because when I was first editing this video, it was too long and I didn't want it to be too long. So I cut some stuff out and it turns out I guess I cut out like too much, I guess. So I guess it's like kind of like a speed review, I guess, like a speed run review. So yeah. So before anything, I just want to let you know that when I unboxed this keypad, it came with a manual that said SEO device. So I'm not sure if this is one of their keypads. Either way, for now, I'll just call it the $8 keypad. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get started. So this keypad is extremely cheap. It comes with a 5 feet macro USB cable and Altemu red switches. The keypad works fine for OSU, but the quality isn't great. In my opinion, it's too small and feels uncomfortable. The tapping doesn't feel good compared to other keypads, and the software is kind of lackluster, only allowing you to change the keybind. Overall, this keypad isn't the worst, especially for the price, but I would rather spend a few extra bucks and just buy the next keypad on this list. The next keypad is a Motospeed K2 keypad. In my opinion, this is a really good budget keypad. It's only $15 on Amazon and it comes with Kel Brown switches and Motospeed Brown switches. It also comes with a 5 feet USB-C cable and switch puller. The keypad is hot swappable, so if you don't like the tactile or clicky switches it comes with, you can always swap them. This keypad also comes with pretty good software that allows you to change the keybinds to RGB and even set up a macro. My only complaint is that it comes with 2 random keycaps, but other than that, the keypad is really good quality and despite the size, it's surprisingly very comfortable. I decided to add both of these keypads in the same review since they're basically the same. They both come with Cherry MX red switches and are hot swappable with Gateron, Kel, and Cherry MX switches. They both have a 1000 Hz polling rate and are made with aluminum and plastic. The SimPad 2 comes with a 3 feet USB-C cable and the Tap Tray comes with a 5 feet USB-C cable. Those keypads also have 3 small buttons that can be changed with the software. Speaking of software, it's also very good allowing you to control the RGB and change the keybinds of every button. The only con is the price, coming in at $32 for the SimPad 2 and $40 for the Tap Tray, and that's without shipping. In my opinion, the price is worth it if you want a really good keypad that will last for a long time. But I know not everyone is willing to pay that much for a few keys. The last keypad on this list is the Sailboat O3C. Rapid Trigger alone makes this keypad worth it already. And as many of you already know, this keypad is extremely cheap. I was able to get mine on AliExpress for about $23, but you can get it for as low as $15. This keypad comes with Altemu red switches and a USB-C cable that I don't know the exact length of. It also has a knob that controls your volume and a screen that displays your key count. The software is also pretty good, allowing you to change the keybinds, RGB, and even changing the function of the knob. The quality is pretty okay for the price, and it feels good to play with. Also, huge shout out to Bacon Pug. They went more in depth on this keypad, so make sure to check out their video if you want more info on this keypad. I also did have a lot of fun with this keypad, so I'll make sure to add some clips for my stream. I think I like the settings I have right now. Yeah. Oh no, dude. Okay, that was kind of. Okay. Yeah, I can't. I normally can't hit that.